out the number of moles of find out the number of moles of CO2 in this reaction in acidic medium. This is the in acidic medium. This is the in acidic medium. A means acidic medium. So what is the equation? MnO4 minus ferrous oxalate. Here iron plus 2 convert iron plus 3, 1 electron is transferred. Oxalate ion always 2 electrons are transferred. Total electrons are 3. Here 3, here 5. Here cross multiply. So 3 into MnO4 minus plus 5 into FeC2O4. Convert to 2Mn plus 2, 5 iron plus 3. 5 iron plus 3 plus 10 CO2. Here 10 carbons are there. 5 into 2, 10 CO2 molecules are formed. In this reaction, 3 moles of KMnO4 to produce 10 moles of CO2. 10 moles of CO2. Here 158 grams of KMnO4 means 1 mole. 1 mole produce how many moles of CO2? 10 by 3 moles of CO2. 10 by 3 moles of CO2 is formed. So what is the answer, students? 10 by 3 moles. What is the answer? 10 by 3 moles of CO2 is formed in this reaction. This is the very important question, students. In this reaction, ferrous ion convert to ferric, oxalate ion convert to CO2, MnO4 minus permanganate convert to Mn plus 2 in acidic medium. So this is the very important question. Next, question number 2. KNO3 decomposes to give X plus Y. Y is a gas. Y is a gas. Number of moles of Y is. Number of moles of Y is. Here, number of moles of Y is. So here 1, 2, 3, 0.5, 4, 3. So here KNO3 decomposes. KNO3 decomposes KNO2 plus half O2. So how many moles of O2 is formed in this reaction, students? Half mole of O2 is formed. Half mole of O2 is formed. O2 is here gas, Y gas, O2. Half mole. Next question number 3. C6H12O6 plus XO2 gives rise to 6CO2 plus 6H2O. So 180 grams of glucose react with X moles of oxygen in this reaction. What is the X? So 180 grams of glucose react with X moles of oxygen. So what is the X in this reaction? What is the X in this reaction? So 6 moles, 4 moles, 8 moles, 20 moles. So glucose react with C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives rise to 6CO2 plus 6 carbons are there, 6CO2. How many hydrogens are there? Here 12. Number of water molecules equal to half of the hydrogen. So here oxygen 12, here 6. Already here 6 are there, 6 cancel, here 12 is there, 6 over to 12. So 6 moles of oxygen involved in this reaction. How many moles, friends? 6 moles of oxygen involved in this reaction. 6 moles of oxygen involved in this reaction. So next, question number 4. 60 grams of question number 4. 60 grams of carbon react with 64 grams of O2 to form CO2 gas. To CO2 gas. To form CO2 gas. In this reaction, excess reagent is O2, C, CO2, all. So how to think about reactants only. Don't think about products. How to identify the limiting reagent, how to identify the excess reagent. Excess reagents means that are reactants, not think about products. Only reactants. What are reactants? So C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. Carbon, 12 grams of carbon react with 32 grams of oxygen. Here, 64 grams of oxygen react with how many grams? How many grams? Here double, here also double, 24 grams. Here 60 grams are given. So excess reagent is carbon. Extra amount is there when compared to required amount. The extra amount is left in the reaction. This is the question number 4. Next, question number 5. That is a very, very important question. X moles of A2Cr2O7 react with 1 mole of ferric oxalate. Here X is if X moles of K2Cr2O7 react with 1 mole of ferric oxalate, what is the X? So option 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So K2Cr2O7 means Cr2O7 minus 2 plus I pericarboxylate. So dichromate convert to Cr plus 3. Here peric convert to peric not changes that ions, iron plus 2 plus 3 only there, not convert. So oxalate ion, here 6 CO2 molecules are formed. 6 carbons are there, 6 CO2. So here 2 into chromium plus 6 convert to 2 into plus 3. So here 6 electrons are transferred in this reaction. How many electrons? 6 electrons. In this reaction, how many electrons? 6 electrons. So in this reaction, oxalate ion convert to CO2. Ferric cannot convert to any other ion. Ferric is there in state only. So here carbon plus 3 oxidation number, 6 carbons are there, 6 into plus 3. Here 6 into plus 4, carbon oxidation number is plus 4. So 24, 18 convert to 24, difference is 6. 6, 6, 1, 1. So 1 mole react with 1 mole. 1 mole of ferric oxalate react with 1 mole of K2Cr2O7. So X moles of K2Cr2O7 react with 1 mole of ferric oxalate. What is the X? X is a 1 mole. X is a 1 mole. So next question number 6. So X liters of O2 react with 0.1 mole of sulfur to form SO2. Find out the X. What is the X? X is at STP. Accelerators of O2 react with 0.1 mole of S to form SO2. What is that? S plus O2 gives rise to SO2. S plus O2 gives rise to SO2. So 1 mole of sulfur react with 22.4 liters at STP. So here 0.1 mole gives how much? 2.24 liters of oxygen. So 0.1 mole of sulfur react with 2.24 liters of oxygen. What are options are there, students? Here 22.4 liters. Second option is 11.2 liters. Third option is 2.24 liters. Fourth option is 1.12 liters. So what is the answer, students? 2.24 liters. This is a very, very important. Next, question number 7. Question number 7 is a very, very important in psychometric calculations. In psychometric calculation, question number 7 is very, very, very important, very useful for you. Don't miss it. 7. Cxhy plus x plus y by 4 O2 gives rise to ACO2 plus BH2O. So A and B are here. A and B are here. A and B are. So balance that the moles. That means number of moles of CO2 and number of moles of water. So here, complete equation Pxhy plus x plus y by 4 O2 gives rise to XCO2 plus y by 2 H2O. Y by 2 H2O. How many moles of CO2 is formed? X moles of CO2 formed, Y by 2 H2O is formed. How to balance twins? Number of CO2 is equal to number of carbon atoms. CO2, number of carbon dioxide is equal to number of carbons. Number of water molecules is equal to half of the hydrogen atoms. Half of the hydrogen atoms. Your hydrogen atoms Y is there, half of the water molecules equal to half of the hydrogen atoms. Your carbon X is there, XCO2 are formed, XCO2. So here A is X, B is Y by 2. This is a very, very important question. So options. So first option A equal to X, B equal to Y by 2. Next question number 8. Question number 8. Two A plus B gives rise to 2C. In this reaction, 2 moles of A react with 4 moles of B. 2 moles of A react with 4 moles of B. How much amount of B in moles left in the reaction? What is the question said? How much amount of B left in the reaction? That means in moles. That is excess reagent. That is a excess reagent. 2A plus B gives rise to 2C. 2 moles of A react with 4 moles of B. How much amount of B left in the reaction? In moles. Answer 1. Option 1, 1 mole, 2 moles, 3 moles, 4 moles. According to equation, 2A plus B gives rise to 2C. According to equation, 2A plus B gives rise to 2C. So 2 moles react with 1 mole. So here given 4 moles are given. How many moles are given? 4 moles. Extra amount. How many moles are there, friends? 3 moles extra is there. So how much amount of B left in the reaction? 3 moles of B left in the reaction. That means that 3 moles not consumed in the reaction. Not consumed in a reaction. So next, very, very important questions. Next questions. Question number 9. So 1 beaker contains 0.5 1 more NaCl. This beaker contains 0.1 mole of NaCl. So another beaker contains 0.1 mole of AgNO3. These two are react. The two solutions added to another beaker. So here reaction is take place. NaCl 0.1 mole and AgNO3 0.1 mole to form AgCl precipitate is formed here. X grams of AgCl is formed. X grams of AgCl is formed in this reaction. What is the X? What is the X in this reaction? What is the X in this reaction? How many grams of precipitate is formed? So here 143.5 and 14.35 grams. And third one 1.435 grams and 0 grams. One NaCl plus AgNO3. NaCl plus AgNO3 form AgCl plus NaNO3. So 1 mole react with NaCl, react with 1 mole of NaCl, react with 1 mole of AgNO3 to form 1 mole of AgCl. So here 0.1 mole, here 0.1 mole, here also 0.1 mole is formed. So X, here X is. So weight, in weight. So 0.1 into silver weight is 188, chlorine weight is 35.5. So 0.1 into this value is 143.5. So 0.1 means that is 14.35 grams of precipitate is formed in this reaction, in this beaker. So next, question number 10. So what is the answer, students? 14.35. Question number 10 also very, very important. Based on diagram. This is the glass tube contain 100 grams of CaCO3 and 106 grams of Na2CO3. 1 mole of calcium carbonate, 1 mole of sodium carbonate. So that is burn or decomposes on heating with Bunsen burner. With Bunsen burner heating. So one gas is released from this that are collected or the water. So this is collected in this tube. Here gas is formed. So what is the gas? Yes, CO2 is gas. How many moles of gas? How many moles of gas formed after decomposition of above mixture? After decomposition of above mixture, how many moles of CO2 gas is formed? So 1 mole, 2 moles, 3 moles, 4 moles. So first option is 2 moles, second option is 1 mole, and fourth option is half mole. How many moles are formed? The mixture of compounds, what are their strengths? Calcium carbonate decomposes to calcium oxide plus CO2. Here, 1 mole, 100 grams gives 1 mole of CO2. And next, Na2CO3. Na2CO3 not decomposes, already know that. So no reaction. So here, only 1 mole of CO2 gas is formed in this reaction. 1 mole of CO2 gas is formed in this reaction. So this assignment is very, very useful for you students. Thank you very much.